Street photography plus Snowstorm. Let's go. That's our fella right there. What's up, bro? Good, you?
Good. Where you gonna go?
Let's go this way. You have a mask?
Yeah, I got a mask.
This is the only thing masks are useful for, bro. Keeping the snow out of your face.
Dude.
I wanted to go into these streets here, but
Okay.
Can I take photos of your dog?
Yeah.
Thanks. Hey, puppy. Oh, he's looking right at me. Good boy. That's the kind of dog me and Annie want. A golden doodle. No, but it's like, it's similar. Yeah. Maybe come right here and see if it looks nice. Grab some snow and like throw it up in the air. Pretend like you're like 7 years old. Yeah. That's good. Now that's the point. Like you want it to like flip up, right? No, do it with your gloves. It's gonna be way too cold for your hands. Just grab like something like this and like. Yeah. Hold on. No, wait, stand up. There. 3, 2, 1, go. Sure, yeah. I think so. I'll check out. Yeah. That's really exaggerated. Tu peux marcher, monsieur, c'est correct. That's actually funny. I kind of like that a lot. Put your feet like closer together and maybe like walk like at an angle, like tilt more your body that way. Yeah, and like look over there. Oh fuck, there's a car. Yeah, do some dancing. Some good vibes, bro. I love that when you just like fuck around.
I think the thing about Montreal is that you don't see these kinds of steps anywhere else. You know, that's a Montreal thing. I'm telling
Yeah. Actually, go up these steps and maybe jump down. But like not all the way there. Like go like up like 3 or something.
you. Ready?
Hold on. What?
Play all exactly.
All right. Wait, hold on. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. That's pretty cool.
Fall backwards.
Like a frame or something. That's good. Nice. Oh, my legs are fucking wet. It's actually a nice yard.
Yeah, so there's a little thing here. And
Let's go see the Inukchuk.
Yeah, everybody would come here and
And my mom loves those things. Go behind the Inukchuk in the hole, lie down and like just put your hands like this. And like pretend you're daydreaming or something. Yeah. Or wait, look at me and then look and like look like that. Awesome. Nice. I don't even know if I've ever had a cannoli.
that's good. Crust on the inside.
That's good. Wow. Awesome, good custard.
Yeah.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco
Right, come
papers
back.
are investing a lot of money to
Come closer
try
to the
and get
edge.
service just like that started.
Yeah, that's good.
Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand-new system.
Just sipping a coffee, and I'm just try to face the other way, like turn your body. Yes, and show me the logo, like yes, yeah. And now you can sip. Piping hot. No, I'm gonna zoom in on put the cup up, like hand it, like hold it up, so I can try to put the cup and the sign in the same like frame. Perfect. Feliz in money money. Absolute beauty. Yeah, bro.
Get to them and like fucking clash with them.
Take a sip. Oh wait, hold on. All right, good. Oh, I see. You're too sticky. Oh, that'd be fucking a good place to do it. Yeah, with the purple background. You still up for that? All right. Yeah, hold on. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
The height good enough? I feel like if I even jump, it would fucking hurt.
I think the height's good. Nice. That's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nicely done. You can probably get paid to jump.
Yeah. Yeah, probably.
Spider-Man jumper.